And what are their names?
Zach and Trevor.
Which one's Zach?
Dude on the left.
Hey, fellas, which one of you Zach? Okay, you're Trevor. Okay. I was just trying to get the names in the brain. Remember those two names, because I'm going to have it put on the... I'm going to get Greg to put it on the... Watch. Let's see how much Taylor Brandon gives her.
Hey, Taylor! Taylor, wave at the camera, bro.
Wait, we taking a video.
You know you on video, right? Right on.
It's the water.
Oh, this be a good... Hey, Taylor, this be a good thing to tag Brandon in. Oh, woman hitting on 2 chicks, bro. Amen. Amen.
Tag me.
Alright, I'll tag you.
Just back off a little bit of them. Back off, there you go. That's it, right there. Can you make it... Haley, can you make the rock jump?
Not this way.
No, this is water's running.
I did. That's cool. It went 4. You're just taking a video of me.
Hey, mosquito. You won't be here long.
This be the best thing. She told me to.
I told him to.
So we can tag Brandon in it.
Just make me think it. Not really. I'm not.
I'm
really.
Put it on Facebook.
You put it on Facebook, but just not know where it comes from. Because it'll come from the library.
Oh.
Because I ain't got nothing to tag it to. We're going to have to tag it. Be careful. Oh!
I can get that.
Go, Flipper, go!
What is he doing? That dude right there trying to swim.
I was laughing at him. I hope I don't make it mad.
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah, we're going down 40 people. We can hold the video
You guys going down for a little ways? Are you guys going to go
East side, son. East side. East side.
Just be careful.
going on for you.
Hey! Oh, no! Ryan! You can get some food.
Oh, we went in too?
You can't get
He ain't got no more clean clothes.
Haley, you want to go?
Your daddy's not going to let you do it. Because it's dangerous.
Hey, I just get the rock.
Huh? No.
No.
Look at yonder. Look at yonder.
I got him. They stupid. Some idiots. They gonna fall off. They gonna fall off. There they go. When in doubt, ride it out. When in doubt, ride it out. What in the world kind of stuff
That
is
dude's
that?
like me. I bet you can't swim.
Who?
That dude's got a life jacket on.
Looks like he's got cancer.
It did well. Yeah, it was 3 times on that one because it hit. Okay, that hit that ricochet. There you go.
Yeah.
See, now your shirt wet and you ain't saying nothing.
Yeah, because you're not wet the same.
I'm sorry. What a Krabby Patty.
What am I going to do? Split here.
I went and tried. Gonna kill the water.
Oh, you ain't gonna do nothing.
I said she gonna
I
kill
don't
the water.
see that right now.
Who ain't gonna do nothing?
You
About what? About what?
in it. Okay, you can kill it.